Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with basic BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, question 39. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past question 39. Cereals are food crops rich in dash. Cereals are food crops rich in dash: A. Starch, B. Protein, C. Fat and oil, and D. Vitamins. Now, like we know, cereals are food crops, and when we say food crops, we mean what? Crops that are what? Crops that are grown mainly for consumption. Mainly for consumption. This is because these crops actually provide us with what? With basic nutrients. Now, cereals are a class of food crops. Cereals are a class of food crops, and these cereals, most especially, provides man with a particular nutrient. Cereals, it gives man a particular what? Class of nutrients. Like we know, the various classes of food or nutrients that we have include the carbohydrates. We have the carbohydrates. We have the what? The protein. We have the protein. We have the vitamins, the mineral salts. We have mineral salts, and then we have the fats and oil. So these are the various classes of nutrients or foods that we have: fats and oil. Now, the question says cereals are food crops rich in dash. Now, this cereals refers to crops like what? Like your rice. Your rice is a cereal. Like your wheat. Your wheat is a cereal. Now, these cereals crops are example of food crops that are rich in what? Carbohydrate. That is what? They are carbohydrates what? Foods. They are carbohydrate foods. And these carbohydrate foods what? Provides starch. It includes starch. Now the question says cereals are food crops rich in dash. A says starch, B says protein, C says fat and oil, and D says vitamins. And like we know, cereals are what? Are food that give us carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates can be in form of starch. So from this you see that our answer is what? Our answer is A, starch. So cereals are food crops rich in what? Rich in starch, because what? They are carbohydrate food. They give us energy. So cereals are food crops rich in starch. So the answer is what? Is A, starch. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel to get more of our videos.